Hi guys, Medicine with Sultana. Today we will learn the anatomy of respiratory system and today's topic is larynx. Okay, now larynx is the air tube belonging to the respiratory system. It is also known as voice box or organ of phonation. We know that. Now, larynx begins from C3 vertebrae to C6 vertebrae, that is, it starts from the root of the tongue and in the upper border of the epiglottis and ends at the cricoid cartilage. I will repeat it. It starts from the root of the tongue and the upper border of the epiglottis and ends at the cricoid cartilage. That is from C3 vertebrae to C6 vertebrae. Okay. Now, we will see the cartilages of larynx. Larynx has 9 cartilages, in which 3 are single and 3 are paired cartilages. Now, thyroid cartilage is the largest and the most predominant cartilage. Next, we have the cricoid cartilage, which is a signet ring-shaped cartilage, just like a ring. And then we have epiglottis, a leaf-like cartilage. In the 3 paired cartilages, we have arytenoid cartilage, which is in pyramidal shape. Okay, and then we have 2 small corniculate and cuneate cartilage, which is like a fibroelastic cartilage, like they are like small nodule type cartilage. Okay, now in this we can see the thyroid, anterior view of the thyroid cartilage. It forms 2 quadrate laminae. Okay, 2 quadrate laminae which fuse together in the anteriorly at an angle of 90 degree in males and 120 degree in females to form laryngeal prominence. Okay, to form laryngeal prominence, which is also known as Adam's apple. Okay, now this Adam's apple, we can see a small V-shaped depression. We can see a small V-shaped depression above the Adam's apple. This is known as superior thyroid notch. And here we can see that the posterior aspect of the thyroid cartilage is free and extends to form the superior thyroid horn and the inferior thyroid horn. It is not clear in this image. We can see this here. Yeah, forms a superior thyroid horn and an inferior thyroid horn. Okay, superior and inferior horns. Then it forms an oblique line. Okay, that's all about thyroid cartilage. Next we can see the cricoid cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage. It is just like a signet ring. Okay, can you like see it? This is a ring. Oh, a ring. See this? It is like a ring. Okay, just the thing we need to note in cricoid cartilage is it has 4 synovial joints. How many joints? 4 synovial joints. Okay, in this 4 synovial joints, 2 synovial, these are the 2 synovial joints which articulates with the inferior horn of thyroid cartilage. Okay, it articulates with the inferior horn of thyroid cartilage, and we have 2 synovial joints here, that is facets, 2 facets. Okay, which articulates with the arytenoid cartilage. Yes, you got it exactly right. The arytenoid cartilage lies just above this. Yeah, it lies above like this. Lies above the cricoid cartilage like this. Okay. Now we can, before going to arytenoid cartilage, there's one more cartilage left, which is the epiglottis. Okay, as you can see, it is a leaf-shaped cartilage with an upper border. The upper border is free, broad, and rounded. You can see that it is round and there's no attachment, so obviously it's free and it's broad. Yeah, compared to the lower border, it's broad. Okay, now this is the lower end, which is narrow end and attaches to the thyroid cartilage. Okay, this is the thyroid cartilage. You can see this is the superior horn, this is the inferior horn, and yeah, this is the thyroid cartilage. It attaches to the thyroid cartilage by a ligament called epiglottic ligament. Okay, cool. You're with me, right? Okay. Like if you think that I am speeding it up, just go back and learn and come back. Okay, don't rush with me. Take it slowly. Okay, now it forms a thyroepiglottic ligament. Next, after this we can see the paired cartilages. Paired cartilages are arytenoid cartilage. It is, as I said before, it is a triangular shaped cartilage and it has an apex and a triangular base. Okay, the apex is like pointed, but the base is triangular in shape. The apex articulates with the corniculate cartilage. Okay, the apex articulates with the corniculate cartilage, while the base articulates with the cricoid cartilage. Yes. Okay, now the base has two important processes, the vocal process and the muscular process. The vocal process forms the vocal ligament, gives attachment to the vocal ligament, and the muscular process gives attachment to 3 muscles. Okay, that is the things you need to know about arytenoid cartilage. Okay, now I forgot to mention, yeah, these two small nodule-like fibroelastic cartilages, which lie, the corniculatal cartilage lies above the arytenoid cartilage, and just above it lies the cuneiform cartilage. Okay, these are fibroelastic cartilages. They are very small nodules. Okay, now that's it about cartilages.